Chris Anderson, Makers, The New Industrial Revolution. Welcome to The Makers, The New Industrial Revolution by Chris Anderson, a compelling exploration of the digital manufacturing movement driven by the spirit of DIY innovation. Say goodbye to the monopolies of large corporations, as the maker movement empowers individuals with the tools and knowledge to create custom solutions to everyday problems. Embrace the world of 3D printing, open-source software, and manufacturing from home as the book delves into the thriving online communities that share and modify designs to best suit their needs. Get ready to be inspired by the potential of digital manufacturing to revolutionize industries, democratize access to production, and breathe new life into the world of invention.
The Rise of Makers. The book discusses the evolution of manufacturing from relying on large corporations to people creating things at home with the use of digital tools and online communities, known as makers. The DIY spirit has moved to manufacturing, enabling people to design and modify software and physical products using open-source tools. The makers are empowered by the web's culture of sharing and collaborating, allowing them to create and distribute designs for anything from dollhouse furniture to contemporary weapons. The rise of makers has led to new opportunities for hobbyists to turn their skills into legitimate businesses. The future of invention. The ease of invention has grown immensely over the years. With the power of computers growing stronger from compounding learning curves, the rate of innovation has only increased. Home-based rapid prototyping is now possible with the support of 3D printing, which is quickly becoming more affordable and user-friendly. With a predicted future shift towards online manufacturing, people are beginning to find their footing in this new industry. However, there is still a long way to go before this form of production becomes mainstream. Industrial designs and programming languages like G-code still need to obtain wider knowledge. But it is only a matter of time before 3D printing reshapes the way we think about invention, much in the same way the LaserWriter transformed desktop publishing. Crowdfunding, a revolutionary way of raising funds. Crowdfunding has revolutionized the way funds are raised for startups and inventors by transforming sales into pre-sales. Through crowdfunding, customers are transformed into supportive communities, fostering participation and action. Crowdfunding sites also provide free market research, making new ventures less risky. The success of Pebble, a smartwatch startup, is an excellent example of the power of crowdfunding. With engaged online supporters, Pebble raised $10 million in just 3 weeks. Crowdfunding offers startups an opportunity to fine-tune their projects to better match the needs of potential customers. Digital manufacturing brings manufacturing home. Digital manufacturing techniques are revolutionizing manufacturing practices and bringing jobs back to developed countries. With automation, American companies like Waymo and NCR are moving their manufacturing back from China to the US, achieving faster market delivery, lower shipping costs, and greater flexibility. Increased skills and pressure from labor groups are raising labor costs in developing countries, making it more expensive to offshore manufacturing. Additionally, global supply chains and offshoring practices are risky in today's volatile world with political and environmental uncertainties and fluctuating currency values. As a result, digital manufacturing is driving change and proving that made in the USA is once again viable. The democratization of manufacturing. The democratization of manufacturing is happening just like publishing and broadcasting in the digital world. Large companies may not disappear, but small businesses and individuals now have the means to produce custom-made products using 3D printing and other digital manufacturing techniques. This decentralized ownership of the means of production leads to greater access to production technology and less reliance on manufacturing giants. Custom-made products become cheaper and will take over one-size-fits-all production.
In conclusion, Makers, The New Industrial Revolution, presents an optimistic glimpse into the future of digital manufacturing, where both individuals and small businesses can reap the rewards. The power of online communities and collaboration, coupled with the evolution of 3D printing and related technologies, is paving the way for greater competition, reduced reliance on large corporations, and a more personalized approach to production. As global supply chains and offshoring challenges also force companies to reconsider their strategies, the landscape of manufacturing is undoubtedly shifting. So, embrace the maker movement and marvel at the innovative, custom-made solutions that are being generated within the digital realm, challenging the status quo and heralding a new era of creativity and productivity.